Hello, it's Rachel. Today's project is going to be an art card. I'm starting here with a piece of manila cardstock measuring 3.5 inches square, and I'm using it with walnut stain distress ink. Once the walnut stain ink has dried, I'm using a Moonshadow Mist from Lindy's Stamp Gang and spraying this on a couple of areas of the background. Next, I've chosen a stamp of Diamonds by Prima, and I'm stamping this using archival ink in potting soil. For the focal element on my card, I've chosen some flowers from a Paper Artsy stamp set. I'm stamping these onto a lightweight cardstock using VersaFine ink in Onyx Black, and once the ink has dried, I then paint my flowers using a Lumia paint in Pearlescent White. When my flowers have dried, I cut them out and then I use a micron pen to add some stems before attaching them using some golden matte medium. Next, I want to add some embossing powders to my project, so I'm using a Versamark ink pad around the edges, and then I choose two different embossing powders by Stampendous. Here I'm using a piece of Ranger Cut and Dry foam with the archival ink in potting soil to edge my project, and once I've finished this I select some flat back pearls to add as the flower centres. For the insert on my card, I've used a Spellbinders die. I'm adding some distress ink in walnut stain around the edges and then adding some stamping to make it coordinate with the front of the card. Finally, I'm going to assemble my card. I'm using double-sided tape to attach the insert to a card blank, and then I layer the main image onto some ivory linen texture cardstock and attach that to the front. That was the last step in today's project. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I do always appreciate it when you hit the like button. If you want a full product list, you'll find that in the video description, as well as details of my social media sites, including my Facebook Mixed Media Challenge group.